Okay, cellular respiration. Excuse my voice. I'm getting over a cold. So cellular respiration is a catabolic process. Glucose is broken down to make energy. And then photosynthesis is an anabolic process where plants use energy from sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. And the reactants of cellular respiration are oxygen and sugar, which are also the products of photosynthesis. And the products of cellular respiration are water and carbon dioxide. The reactants of photosynthesis are CO2, carbon dioxide, and water. And the products of photosynthesis are oxygen and glucose. The two processes relate to each other in that the products of photosynthesis are the reactants in cellular respiration, and the products of cellular respiration are the reactants in photosynthesis. So they have a relationship where each process creates products that make the other process possible by creating the reactants. Cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis, and photosynthesis can't occur without the help of cellular respiration because they require the cycling of the products and the reactants. I think that's most of the information that was asked. So hopefully that's good.